Good morning, my lady of dreams. Crushed cashews. Crushed cashews sent with love for you. It's so beautiful. I love you so much. But yes, do stay wild. Anytime I try to get close, she gives me a nip on the hand to say, no, that's not happening. And I'm really happy about that. I've just resigned myself to the fact that occasionally we'll share some moments and then we don't see each other for a couple of days. And then we'll see each other. I'm blessed and I'm grateful and I'm honoured. Thank you very much. You teach me a lot, and in return I offer you my patience, my faith, my care, and I hope you stay well. You go when you need to go. You're cool. Did a good couple of days diving, seen some lobsters. Now the world is nice again. Got a mouthful? You have a good day, okay? Love you. Any more? Righto. I can tell when you're about to go. Thanks for joining me for breakfast. You're beautiful, darling. Any more? No. Okay. Rest there. And I offer you blessings. See you, mate. Have a great day.